Okay, so next, this is all about intercepts and asymptotes. Okay, so what is the x-intercept of the function f of equals 1 over x? Oops. And I can... Okay, so f of x equals, and ulit yun, 1 over x. 1 over x. X-intercept. Pag sinabi natin x-intercept, set natin yung y equals 0. But this is just y. Equal natin to 0. So, yun din yung sa right side, copyhin na lang natin. Now, paano magiging 0 to? So, di ba, sasabi natin 0 yung ratio. Yung ratio will be 0 if the numerator is 0. Diba? 0 over n, that is 0. Now, given that yung n mo, yung numerator mo is constant other than 0, that is 1. Ibig sabihin, there's no way na magiging 0 to. Okay, paano pag 0 yung denominator? Undefined yun. 1 divided by 0 cannot be. Okay? Cannot. Hindi posible yun. Okay? So that is undefined. So ibig sabihin, there is no x-intercept. Ganun lang siya. There is no x-intercept. Ibig sabihin dito, pag sinabi mo kasing x-intercept, ayun yung point na nandun mismo sa x-axis. Okay? Now, since yung graph mo is 1 over x, actually ganito yung ano niyan, sura niyan. Okay? Medyo pangit lang yung pagkaano, basta pa ganyan siya. Ito yung x-axis. So, mapapansin mo, walang graph dyan. Kasi ayan yung asymptote niya mismo. Asymptote niya mismo ang x-axis. Okay? Ganun siya. So, there is no x-intercept. Next, what is the y-intercept naman? Of a function, kung pala itong function, f of x equals x minus 1 over x plus 1. Okay? F of x equals x plus 1 over x minus 1. Tama ba? Or nagkabalik? Ibaliktad. X minus 1 over x plus 1. X minus 1 over x plus 1. Ayan. So, y-intercept naman. Y-intercept naman, okay, treat natin is x as 0, ganun, okay? Automatic 0 sa x. Kasi isa-solve natin si y, ganun siya. So 0 minus 1 over 0 plus 1. So that is negative 1 over 1, negative divided by positive, that's negative. 1 divided by itself, 1. So basically, okay, yung y-intercept is yung constant lang. Kasi yung x, papalitin mo na 0 eh. Lahat ng may x, may 0. X raised to kahit anong power man yan, magiging 0 na yung term na yun. So, yung constant lang yung matitira kapag sinabi natin y-intercept. Now, itong y-intercept, okay, that is point. Okay? Y-intercept niya is a point. Ibig sabihin, dapat naka-represent siya as x, y. Wherein yung x mo ay 0. So, yung y mo, uy, negative yan. Negative yan. So, negative 1. 0, negative 1. 0, negative 1. So, pwede rin ganito. The y-intercept is at y equals negative 1. Kasi automatic naman 0 na yung x. Ganun siya. Next, what is the vertical asymptote of the function 9x minus 3 over x plus 3? Okay, vertical asymptote. 9x minus 3. Tama na ba? Over x plus 3. So basically, kapag ganito, okay, vertical asymptote, hahambing natin siya sa domain. Wherein kasi sa domain, di ba, lahat ng values ng x na kung saan nagpapadefine sa function. Ibig sabihin, yung denominator mo doon not equal to 0. So vertical asymptote, ayun yung kinukuha natin. Ano yung magpapa-undefined sa function? Ano yung value ng x? Ibig sabihin, iset lang natin equal to 0 itong denominator. X plus 3 equals 0, and hence x should be equal to negative 3. And that is the vertical asymptote. A line. vertical line. Ayan. So, x equals -3. And negative. Next is saan ba yun? Okay, ito pala. Ayan. Next this one. What is the horizontal asymptote of the function? Ayan, mabasa. 5x minus 8 f of x equals 5x minus 8 divided by x squared minus 2x plus 1. X squared minus 2x. So, kahit di mo mabasa yan, as long as alam mo tong degree nila. Okay, masasagot natin. X squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so before that, since nabasa na to, unahin muna natin sa time. Kasi, ayan yung conditions. The following conditions is incorrect. So, tatlong yan tama. Isa dyan incorrect. So, alin kaya? Letter A, if the degree of the degree of the numerator, let's say yung degree ng numerator natin ay n. Okay, yung degree niya raw, when say degree, highest exponent. And if left natin to as the numerator, function niya, 5x minus 8, ang degree niya ay 1 lang kasi x raised to first lang yan. And that is what we call linear. So degree niya ay 1. So first, ayan, degree niya ay first degree. So highest exponent is 1. Ayan. So if the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, ang D na lang as numerator denominator. So mas maliit daw, the horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0. And that is true. If the degree ng numerator, let's say ito, denotes yung n, it denotes degree ng numerator. And pag D, it denotes degree ng denominator. Again, if the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, then the horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0. And that is true. Okay, nasa x-axis ang horizontal asymptote. Yan. Yung horizontal asymptote mo ay yung x-axis mo. Okay? Ganun siya. Okay? Kasi ibig sabihin lang nun, ayan, ibig sabihin lang nun, kapag i-graph kasi natin, okay, graph na lang natin para makita kung ano yung behavior niya dyan. Natin to. Graph natin yung function na yan. Via Desmos. 5x minus 8 f of x, y na lang. Okay, we can use y naman eh. 5x minus 8 over ano yun? X squared minus 2x plus 1. Ano? Okay, so kahit ano na lang. X squared minus 2x plus 1. Ayan na. Ayan. X squared minus 2x. Okay, tama. Okay, so titignan natin itong graph na to. As y naman. Okay, so ayan siya. As y approaches 0, anong mangyari sa graph? Okay, it approaches or ganito. As x approaches infinity, ganun na lang. As x approaches infinity, ibig sabihin, sobrang laking value ng x natin, positive infinity or negative infinity, ano magiging behavior na? Okay, yung function natin, yung graph niya ay approaching y equals 0. So, ganun yung horizontal asymptote. Hindi siya magta-touch doon. Pag sinabi nating asymptote, isa yung line na kung saan yung graph mo, palapit lang ng palapit doon, pero hindi siya tatama. Ganun siya. Okay, ganun siya sa part na to. Kapag in-extend mo pa yan, palapit lang to. Itong graph na to, palapit lang yan dito sa y equals 0 or sa x-axis natin. Pero hindi talaga siya tatama doon. So, dito naman sa left side, Yung x mo naman approaching negative infinity. Diba? So, ayan. Kasi towards left eh. Palapit lang siya ng palapit sa line na yon, graph. Pero, hindi siya mag-approach doon. Tawag sa line na yon, asymptote. So, pag horizontal, of course, horizontal asymptote. Pag vertical, vertical asymptote. At lastly, oblique. Pwede rin oblique. Paano magiging oblique? Oblique or slant. Okay? Pero paano magiging ganun? Magiging ganun naman siya kapag yung degree naman ng meron dito yan. Ayan, so letter C. If the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, no horizontal asymptote can be found kasi oblique siya. Slant siya. Tingnan natin ha. Baligtarin natin. Okay, paano baligtarin yan? Ibagay yung numerator na sa ika. Pwede nating i-reciprocal. Get the reciprocal kumbaga. Ayan, tapos raise to negative first. Reciprocal yan. Ano mangyayari? Ayan, ano nangyari? Ayan siya. Ito yung hitsura niya. Ganito yung graph. Okay, so pansin nyo, walang horizontal asymptote, pero may slant tayo. Oh. Ayan, straight yan ha, assume nyo na lang. Ayan. Slant or oblique asymptote. Makakuha yan kapag dinivide mo yung numerator sa denominator. Nalilito kayo bakit ganyan. Kapag sinabing reciprocal kasi, okay, magsaswap yan. Numerator pupunta sa denominator and yung denominator pupunta sa numerator. Ibig sabihin, ganito yan. X squared minus 2x plus 1 over 5x minus 2. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Naka-raise to the negative first. You know, it's reciprocal. Reciprocate mo siya. Ganun yan. Raise. Ayan. Okay. So, ano pa isa? Letter B, if the degree mo naman ng numerator is the same as the degree of the denominator, then the horizontal asymptote is y equals a over b, where a and b are the leading coefficients. So kapag ganito naman daw, let's say, ito, may sample nun. May sample nun sa baba. Ito dito. Ayan. Kung pwede. Pwedeng to, pwedeng to. Try natin pareho. Number 7, x minus 1 over x plus 1. Para makita lang. Yan. X plus 1. Ito x minus 1. Kalimutan ko. X minus 1 over x plus 1. Ay, mali. Factorial 1. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Okay? So, ano yung asymptote niya? Ang horizontal asymptote, may horizontal asymptote tayo na to kasi hindi naman mas malaki yung numerator sa denominator. Pantay lang sila. Ito x to the first, ito rin x to the first. So, ang horizontal asymptote natin dyan ay ang coefficient nito. Divide mo sa coefficient ng baba. Yung leading nila ha. 1 divided by 1, that is 1. Ibig sabihin, ang horizontal asymptote natin is y equals. That is true. Ayan siya. Palapit yung graph, pero hindi siya tatama doon. Ayan. So, what about yung isa? Ang isa is 9x minus 3 over x plus 3. 9x minus 3 over x plus 3. Ayan. So, syempre, hindi yun y equals 1. So, ano yan? 9 divided by 1. So, 9. Tingnan natin. And that's true. Ayun yung horizontal asymptote niya. Okay, divide lang sila. Divide lang sila ng degree. Okay. So, ayan. Diba? Ayan. Okay. Ibig sabihin, since true ang A, B, and T, T lang yung mali. If the degree of the numerator is greater, hindi, sorry, DC. Yung mali, si D. if the degree of the numerator, ayan, is greater than, okay, the degree of the denominator, the horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0. Kasi ito yung true. Yung y equals 0 yan kapag degree ng numerator is less than. So dito is the opposite. That's greater than. So this one is false. This is true. Ibig sabihin, yung false dyan. And that's it.